Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore 35 free crochet top patterns, from halter to crop tops. As always, you can find all the links in the description box below. Before we jump right in, please take a moment to subscribe. Number 1. A classic ribbed square top, perfect for just about any outfit. Simple and stylish. Number 2. The Eden is a V-neck crop top with an easy construction and flattering ribbing around the waist. Number 3. For the young at heart, the Sophia crop top would be perfect for a midday drink by the seaside. Number 4. This cropped tank top can be used as a swimsuit cover. Your vacation can start after you make this piece. Number 5. Another simple square neck crop top with a flattering ribbing around the waist. The wide straps make it easy to wear with a bra. Number 6. This one is a bit more modest with a solid but textured and romantic fabric. Number 7. The lotus top looks so intricate. I just love the combination of stitches. Number 8. Perfect for everyday use. This simple top can be worn anywhere because of the wide straps and adjustable length. Number 9. I just love the texture and the wide flattering straps of the Roxy tank. Number 10. A simple tank top that almost looks store-bought with a very interesting construction. Number 11. This tank top is one of my favorites because of the beautiful ribbing texture that covers the whole fabric. Number 12. The stitch combination on this summer top looks so amazing. Such a lovely look. Number 13. Simple and beautiful. The spring-tide halter top is all you need for summer. Number 14. You get 4 different styles with this one simple top, and it's perfect for beginners. Number 15. This granny square style has made a comeback, and this look has been on all magazine covers for the past couple of years. Number 16. This boho top is perfect for summer festivals and can be worn with a bathing suit or a simple top on the inside. Number 17. This butterfly top is one of the coolest things I have seen. The design is so beautiful, and the way it hugs the body is just perfect. Number 18. The tulip square crop top looks so romantic. I would definitely wear this with jeans for a more feminine look. In number 19, we have another amazing and very flattering crop top. I love how the combination of basic stitches can produce such a beautiful result. Number 20. This simple dragonfly top comes with a twist. You can make it into a beautiful dress too. Number 21. Asymmetric two-tone design. The perfect statement piece. Number 22. The Dahlia halter top can be a great stash buster as you will use 3 to 4 colors for the stripes. Number 23. Another form-fitting crop top with an intricate mandala design in the center. Number 24. A simple classic halter top pattern with a textured stitch, perfect for everyday use. Number 25. The mock neck might seem counterintuitive, but it's light enough to wear and so stylish. Number 26. Effortlessly bohemian style. The arrowhead crop top is perfect for leisure days at the beach or summer festivals. Number 27. Is it me or the granny stripe stitch looks great on just about anything? Number 28. This one looks so cute. It's something that could be offered in an expensive boutique. Number 29. The teardrop shape and stripes make this top look vintage. It complements the female body. Number 30. I love this one so much. It has such an elegant look, and the plaid one will give you the sense that you are going golfing. Number 31. Very simple in construction, but with enough details to keep you occupied and add flair to this top. Number 32. What I love about the granny square stitch is that it can be used in many ways and create such diverse outcomes. Number 33. You can easily pair this one with shorts or skirts for a walk around town or on a tropical island if you're lucky. Number 34. There are multiple ways of doing crochet ribbing, and all I can say is that all of them look lovely on a top. And finally, for number 35, we have another flawless example of a different kind of ribbing in a crop top. It's so difficult to choose a favorite. And that's a wrap for today's collection. Please share in the comments below your favorite one, and don't forget to subscribe. Check the pinned comment for more crochet pattern collection videos. Bye.